working on Broken Down Lesson 3 problem solving. Carolyn has twice as many white pairs of socks as she has black socks. If she has a total of 18 pairs of socks, how many pairs are black? Alright, so what you be working on, we don't know how many black socks we got, so we're going to let X represent black. And then it says she has twice as many white socks, so we're going to put 2X equals white. It's going to give us 18 total socks. And since we have 2X right there, we're going to add them 2X. So it's going to be 1X plus 2X, which gives us 3X. Then we'll divide 18 into 3. And this, how we get 6.